Hello, friends, and welcome back to part 2. You're going to be looking more closely in part 2 at the painting Young Hair, and you're going to look at something called texture. Mrs. Spears will explain what this word means, but I just wanted to share it with you as well. Texture is the way that something feels. And when you're looking at a painting or a drawing, sometimes an artist will use lines and different techniques to make something look soft or smooth or bumpy. So I want you to think about texture as you look at this painting with Mrs. Spears. All right, here we go. Listen carefully.
Take a look at the painting again. What features of the hair can you see? What features can you see? Can you point to the ears, the nose, and the whiskers? Now think, how do you think the different features or body parts would feel? How might all of those different features feel? Share with your learning partner or just say it aloud. I wish I could hear what you shared. And maybe you thought about how the fur would feel fuzzy and the claws may feel sharp. When we talk about how something feels, we are describing texture. And as we continue to study this painting, we'll be thinking about this question. What does looking at texture reveal to us? Texture. I want you to repeat after me. My turn, texture, your turn. Texture is how the surface of an object feels or looks like it might feel if you touched it. I'll say it one more time. Texture is how the surface of an object feels or looks like it might feel if you touched it. Now I want you to think, how did the artist show different textures on different parts of the body? I'll say it one more time. How did the artist show different textures on different parts of the body? Share with your learning partner or just say it aloud. Oh, I wish I could hear some of the things that you said. But I bet one of those things you notice is that there are lots of tiny lines or there's some other details. And that's because the artist used soft areas of color underneath and then added lots and lots of tiny lines to show the fur to make the texture look real. This would be considered a realistic portrait of an animal because it shows us what the animal looks like in real life. The artist used texture to highlight the different features of the hair. All right, awesome first graders. Nice job examining Young Hair by Albert Durr today. Next time, we'll think about all that we've learned during this module. But until then, be kind and do something great because you are capable of greatness.